Hey, 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 hey! Hello. Hello, boys. Hello, guys. Hey, hey, hey. Let me see if everything is okay. Did I calibrate? Yeah, calibrated now. Is this running? Yes, it's running. Okay, everything seems to be good. Okay. So let's jump right in without any time wasted. Let's jump into it. Okay. I think we made good progress on tribes. I'm happy about it. But there is a problem. The problem is that there are certain recipes which are actually not scripted properly, right? And it is why our tribe, with the upkeep running, cannot build anything, right? While the tribe without the upkeep running can actually build. And the reason is this thing here, because this thing is actually changing the status of the building from not used to in construction. And I don't know if it was doing the same in the old game, but my feeling is yes, right? This change, right, is the one that is. I can check. I can check. I don't think I added it myself. What? Entire solution doesn't exist? Oh, okay. Yep. He was already here. Hello, Hula, good evening. He was already here, so it's not something that I added myself in Unreal. It was already in the old game. So, okay, so there is a problem because apart from the name, locate building spot, I don't think that locate building spot is a good name. I think should be something like allocate or set building spot, right? Or start the building spot, because I think locate building spot is very misleading. Because he's actually starting the construction, right? So he's flagging it as in construction. So actually this documentation is incomplete. Now the only question is, do we need I don't know. Okay, let me add the fact that is n buffer building is set to X, and n buffer work duration is set to the building time of the building, right? So yeah, which is this, but in addition, right? I would say this. Because the spot is actually taken after this operation. The spot is taken because it's actually in construction. So the question is, do we want to change it and call it allocate building spot or something like that, or because you know what, it's not even anyway, I don't want to do too many changes, so let's say that for now it's good like this, right? But I think we need another function, right? Which is locate building. Because if you only want to locate the building and then move to it, so we want to locate an existing building, I don't know if it's locate asset, but do we have a locate asset? I don't think so. Reserve spot is the one that is executed at the beginning to actually put the right locations, right? The one that we fixed the other day. So hello, Fanner. My idea sounds good. Yeah, we can have a locate building and then we can change it. So basically, will be the point is they will be identical to this. I mean, with the difference of the work duration, I assume, but and with the difference of I don't like it too much. Let me check 1 second the go work, right? Because at the end tribe work tribe work go to work, locate object building spot. Yeah. So it will work actually. It will actually work. It will actually work. So if we create a new, the only difference will be that you want to go there, but you don't want to start building. You are working on it for whatever reason. I mean, I can add it. Will be basically the same code, right? The same code. Or we can have 2 parameters, right? We can have 2 parameters instead of 1. So we can use the same function with 2 different parameters, but I don't know if that's confusing, right? Because like the same function that is like doing 2 things, risky, huh? Because we could have locate building spot, campfire, and then another parameter which is like in construction or something like that, but then I have to parse the parameter, understand which one. Yeah, I think I will create a new one. I will create a new one which is basically identical to this. Unfortunately, is the same code, pretty much. With the only and this will be called locate building, right? And this will locate a building which is actually built, right? So the status needs to be, right? Needs to be constructed. Right? Must be constructed. And I don't want to change this. Right? This should be the same. This should be the same. This should be the same. That's fine. I mean, it doesn't make any difference. This last line doesn't make any difference actually. So, but okay. So this will be locate building. So what it's doing is basically setting on the building spot, right, of the NPC. So that NPC can use building spot later on. So let me understand. Because right, this. So the example is right. Exactly. Can after I can build more than one kind of building? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely. Okay, so basically now the difference is that we need to use, I mean, if you want to have this gobble up keep actually work as expected, we need to have the gobble up keep use locate building, okay, and not locate building spot. That was the problem, right? And is the problem, yeah, and yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, so I want to test if this change is actually fixing the issue. Hopefully, yes. Meanwhile, it's compiling. Let me go to the bathroom a second, okay? Let me go to the bathroom a second. I will be back. Amir, I also took a biscuit. I also took a biscuit. Why my face is so broken? They have 60 fish. Okay. Let's just launch it normally. Without debug, without anything. Let's go. Let's believe in ourselves. I believe. I believe. Oh yeah. I believe we can do this. I believe I can do this. Let's just wait the server to go up. Did I forget to unmute myself or not? Yeah, I did. Just 1 second. No, it's not dinner. It's not dinner, definitely. Just a second. I want to reply to an email. I want to reply to an email. Okay. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Okay, let's see. Let's see if they start to build immediately or not. I don't think they do, but... Okay, they build a campfire already. They build a campfire, so it means that the fix already worked, huh? Now it's a bit too close to the fire, huh? But anyway. That's another problem. Yeah. So you see that now we have item ID and status. Fantastic. Fantastic. Now, the problem is waiting, but in theory they will build, you know, they will build also the other hut. I'm pretty convinced about that. The only problem is I cannot right click on this. I have to be very, very close, huh? You see that he did a me go work, right? He did a me go work, and but then he immediately restarted to go fishing. But he actually said that he was going to work. And the only script, I think, the only script that is wait a second. Where the hell did he go? Bro, why here? What? me go work. It's kind of strange, huh? Okay, so the go work may also be bugged because this guy is trying to go somewhere, but I don't know exactly where he's trying to go. In theory, he's going in this location, no? Is there another fucked up waypoint? That's very possible, huh? Yeah, there is. So if the waypoint is too high, he cannot reach it. That's the problem. If these waypoints are incorrectly set, like too high, what the? Where is he going? Wait. What? What the fuck? I don't understand too much this debug that we have, right? I think is not correct. Like current behavior move, right? But I think it's not giving me the right information. I have this feeling. I have the feeling it's not giving me the right information. Position, angle, radius. Stored locates. List of store locate location. Active and move. BDIN 056. What? BDIN 056? What the hell? That's very far from here. I think the problem are the waypoints that are not properly set. Unfortunately, I think that's the thing. These waypoints are too high, they are not properly set, and the result is that they are failing to reach them. I'm pretty sure. I think we need to fix them and then we should try again, because otherwise I'm just running in circles here. So let's do it. So 1262, right? 1262 should be moved here. So I do pat move WP 1262, right? Okay. $12.62. Ah, what happened? And then I need to re-extract 1262 as well. Yeah, it's a bit of a mess, I have to say. But fine. I will extract them all together. So let's fix this guy. Let's fix this guy. This guy is 1276. This guy, I mean, this is not too bad actually. I think that this one is kind of fine. These ones are fine, are low enough. 1275. This one, yeah, these ones are all good because you see the distance, you know, is very reasonable. I think these ones are all good. I think this one I fixed already, but this one is working actually. This one is working. That one seems a bit too crazy, no? Or no? Nah, it's okay. Because we have like alpha meter or something tolerance. Okay, so are basically these two, huh? Okay, fine. They are basically these two. 62 or 75. So I take this, I extract sequel. Right. Okay. So this one we need to run in production as well, huh? Did I run it already or no? What was this? Did I run it already? Well, if you do strange things, yeah. But I think it's because it's not finding the proper thingies. They built only the campfire for now. But I think because this guy is still stuck. I don't understand the connection. I see. Connection is here, eh? Okay. I mean, it's a bit of a weird connection, but okay. Like this one, for example, is going through this thing. I don't even know what this thing is. Actually, I think it's a mistake. Yeah, I think this one is a mistake. But anyway, Yeah, I should actually have it here, not there. But... Okay, but the good news is that he built a campfire. Now, the question may be, why he didn't build the hut? How much carp he used? He used about 10, so it's correct. Why he didn't build the other buildings? At the moment, I don't know if we have it scripted, right? In theory we do. Two small buildings, right? Small eagle. Eagle gobble. Build small hut, which is this. So he needs two available hunters. So both of them needs to be available to actually do this work. Yeah. Both need to be available. Why? I don't think it's... I mean, like, it requires two people to actually build a hut. Okay, I see. I understand. I understand. It requires two people. It's a bit stupid how they move, but anyway. It's a bit stupid how they move. The question is, why the hell they decided to go so far away, right? Because these guys are... If I do info, right, this guys is going BD in 56. And this guy... BDR 1076. So this guy is going to a reasonably close location. This guy. The other guy is going to an impossible place, like millions kilometers away, right? And I don't understand what is the point of that. I mean, why decided to go so far, right? Why decided to go so far? Is because that location is actually a known location to him? Because he will go super far from here. He will. And he will probably also fail, because he will just get stuck into that thingy. Well, just barely makes it. But this guy's going in an impossible place. I mean, super far away. I need to understand why. BD in 056. BD in 056. Oh wow. It's not even in the list? Why? Ah, no, wait. Is in the other log. Is in the other log. No, it's not in the list. What? What do you mean? It's not in the log. It's not in the log. Okay. I don't know. 0018. 0018. Oh my. Okay. 80018. I need to understand why they choose a location that is so far. 0018, 0018. So let's see what this guy did. This guy has an upkeep, right? Carp, fish, blah blah blah. Ah, because probably there is another fishing area super far away. Yeah, it's very possible. It's very, very possible. Because the way they select... Tribe Explorer. Tribe Explorer. Hey, but bro, I mean, Tribe Explorer, I'm fine, but he cannot select a point on the map, you know? He cannot select any point on the map. I mean, it needs to be relatively close, otherwise it's a mess. I mean, the distance, I think we should calculate the distance somehow. I don't know, because... So basically, he selected... So Tribe Explore is going to explore. Explore is here. Me go search shiny things. Did he say that? Maybe it was too far from us. Auto memorize, dipole, memorize everything, locate object, waypoint, destination move. Locate object, waypoint. Yeah, but he's saying range 200 though, eh? Locate object, waypoint, range 200. I think this locate just gave us an impossible number as a result. Which is kind of strange, but I think is what happened. I think is what happened. For one of the guys was reasonable, for the others was impossible. I mean, 200 meters is kind of far away, but is reasonable. Come on, bro. Locate operation. Come on, is... Do-do-do, do-do-do. Ah. Okay, I go myself there. GG. Cannot do it. Sometimes cannot do it. Okay, locate operation. Locate operation load. And up to here I think is all fine. Range. Range exactly. So range is loaded with centimeters, huh? This range is loaded in centimeters. No, because if you multiply it again, then I understand why we have the problem, but... so when we run... What? Wow. Wow, this code. Run. It is hard to read, boys. Building spot. There should be waypoint, no? Or waypoint or point is there. There should also be okay, waypoint. Locate waypoint. In range. Find random point. Group name. Find random waypoint. Random, right? Random. We have random yes, right? We have random yes. So I think he's going here. I think he's arriving here. What? Is this function fucked? It's possible. It's possible that this function is not working because, or anyway, it's not working as expected because it's weird. I think. Let's do it again. If our NPC are going too far, it is not gonna work. Because we are just losing the tribe. Right? We are just losing the tribe. I think I need to implement, guys, load tribe. I have to do it because it's taking too much time. I think I can do, instead of repopulate NPC ID, I think I can have, I think I can have something like load tribe, you know, load tribe NPC or load tribe ID, right? This is tribe number 3 actually. Yeah, I think I need to do it because that would be a bit easier, right? So I could load all the items of the tribe and all the people of the tribe, so I skip all the other items, which is so much easier. The problem is that this will force... yeah, but I think it's okay. I think we should do it. I think we should do it. We should do it. We simplify my life. We'll simplify my life. Let's do it. Will take a bit of time, but not much. Like 10 minutes. I don't know. Even less. No, maybe not less. But so let's have another config file, which is load tribe, right? And when I am doing repopulate NPC, when I'm doing exactly. No. Should it be multiple tribes? Yeah, I think it can be multiple tribes. Huh? Can be multiple tribes. I mean, I would not suggest it to load multiple, but I think we can support multiple. I think we can support multiple. Now, what we need to do? Well, we needed to check. We need to check. Did we load tribes already at this point or not? I don't think so. So I think I need to do a query for each. Wait a second. Let's support one tribe only for now. Let's support one tribe only because let's support one tribe only. Otherwise, it's too complex. I mean, it's taking more time for nothing. So we search all members of this tribe, right? So I will do a select characters, blah blah blah. A select what? A select. I need to select tribe members. I need to select from tribe members with tribe ID. Yeah. Select from tribe members, right? And we select the ID. We select the member ID. Select member ID from time member where tribe ID equal to, right, our thing. No, I think I need to format it though. I need to format it. Can I do this? I think I can. Formatted query. Or it is a string. Yeah, but basically I did a printf in between. Yeah, I mean, is this? I mean, yeah, I have to do the printf anyway. Is this what? This is a string, eh? Yeah, it's a string. Okay, fine. So this will be the query, right? Do you think that one mode is excluding the other or not? I don't think so. I think they can be. I think they can be. Yeah, I think I can do filter NPC and then I can append. You know, I can append the result. I mean, if it's not valid, it means that the query GG'd out. Ah. So I need to take this and I need to do what? I need to add it. The problem is, as usual, to remove the last character. Fuck. Because we may have a number, but we don't need the comma at the end, right? What happened? What happened? No, bro, I just need to copy this, please. Okay. So if we found at least one, we need to remove the last comma, right? So if try NPC land whatever is greater than 0, then we need to remove the last thingy. So we need to do a right chop, whatever, right chop of 1, right? And it is returning the string, because we need to remove this last shit. Okay. Okay, so this will give us the filter NPC for the tribe, right? So in theory, yes, but then I need also to load the items of the tribe, because it is just loading the NPC. And then I need... wait a second. Ah. Ah! Ah, mistakes were made. Ah, mistakes were made. Ah. Mistakes because this is not... Yeah, I need to add this to the list. Yep. Wait. A pen can take multiple... No? No. So... Hey, we need to do it this way. There is no much better way than this. Fine. So like this it will work because I just add, you know. I just add. So that will be this is fine, but also I need the items. I need the assets, right? I need the assets on the ground for the NPC. So when we do the repopulate, when we do the repopulate live, what is it called? Repopulate live. I think it's repopulate live, but it's a repopulate items. Repopulate items. Yeah, repopulate items. So basically here we have the same problem, right? Because we will have to load only the items that are part of the tribe. Load only the items part of the tribe. The problem is that this function does not understand filtering. Yeah, we need to add it. We need to add it because otherwise we cannot do it. I need to add the... Oh my god, this function is a monster. Okay. There's 2 freaking queries. Just because it's a bit easier, you know, to visualize. Just because it's a bit easier to visualize. Sorry, there is. I did a mess. But here I need to add this new filters. So in this case, we add what? We add and what? Item stats, no, item instances ID. Yeah, simply, yeah. Yeah, exactly. I think so. Something like that. Should we do it for both, or should we? Yeah, we should do it for both. Because here we have a problem that this is split with the order at the end. So I need to add this at the end, otherwise it will not work. Right? Thank you, Visual Studio. Yeah. In theory, it should be fine. But I don't know, we have to test it, I have no idea. So in theory now, if we specify... no, wait, no, wait. No, everything will fail now. Everything will fail. No, there is a piece that I'm missing. I'm missing this, right? So here I need to give to this guy the filter item ID based on the tribe that we get, right? Right? And so we say... what was that? No, I lost it. No. Low tribe ID. So if this happens, right? If this happens, then what do we need to do? We need to do the same What do you mean is undefined, bro? What do you mean is undefined? What? Uh-oh. He's not in spawn manager. Oh crap, he's on plane shift. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. We can fix it. So if this thing is existing, right? Then what we need to do? Well, basically we need to do the same. We need to do the same as this. Yep. We need to do pretty much the same, with the difference that here we are on items. Here we are on items, right? So we need to search completely another table, which is tribe assets. We need to search on tribe assets. We need to search item ID. And if it's 0, we have to exclude it, by the way. Where tribe ID, yes, 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 yes. Yes. Oops. Then what you don't like? Okay, so so we go through this, we go through this, we go through this. We get item ID because we said there is item ID. Yeah, we get item ID. We go item ID, and then we remove the last, and then we add it to this, and then at this point we put it here, right? And now it may work, right? Now it may work. How much time it took? I don't know, 20 minutes probably. Yeah, but it's still not done, signature, what? Oh my god. Boys, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this or no? It's saying succeeded. Can we try to load one NPC plus a tribe? So if I load one NPC, let's say whatever. Alina, 31. Yeah, she will fall because there is no map, but anyway. 31. And then I want to load the tribe number 3, right? So this will load this particular NPC. Do you believe that? Do you believe Do you believe? Drum roll. Drum roll, yeah. Hello, hooded clock. Clock. I never understood the pronunciation of Google Translate and whatever. Clock.
Clock, clock.
No, not in French.
Cloak, clock.
Oh wow, it's very different.
Cloak, clock. Cloak, clock. Cloak. Cloak. Clock.
It's very different. Cloak, clock, cloak, clock, cloak, clock. Okay. You pronounced it perfectly. Yeah, I mean sometimes it's like this. There is the, but this I think is identical. This is identical.
Flower, flower.
It is identical.
Flower, flower.
Because if you look at the pronunciation, if you look at the this thing, is exactly identical. So the pronunciation syntax is identical. Oh my god. Learning English. Okay, so this should filter our thingies, right? So let's see if it's actually filtering anything. We said what? We said tribe number 3, right? So let's go. Let's see if this thing does anything. Boom, boom, boom. Is adding stuff. At this point, my tribe NPC is 1, 2, 3 guys. Which, by the way, is exactly this 3. Good job. So now I did something automatic that I was doing manual. Fantastic. Now I removed the last comma because it's annoying. I didn't. Bro, right chop is removing from the left. Oh, shit. Right chop is removing from the left, huh? Okay. Okay. Yeah, because it's... Yeah, right chop is keeping the chop on the right, removing from the left. I know it may sound a bit weird. Oh my god, Visual Studio crashed. GG. TikTok, clock, oak, cloak. Interesting. So right chop. So we need left chop. We need left chop, and we need left chop also here. Okay, let's go. I believe. TikTok clock, oak cloak. Let's see. But flower doesn't have a plural, huh? I don't want your stuff. Can be countable or uncountable. Oh my god. In some specific context can be flowers. No, because I was thinking a guy, you know, that comes there and say, "Oh, I just received some flowers," and you may say, "What?" But usually is the plant. If you say something like this, is the plant. I mean that you received a variety of flower. I think is kind of strange. I mean, it probably is not gonna happen. So you're not going to be confused, right? Probably not. Okay, tribe NPC, bam, bam, bam. Now is correct. We add to the... I forgot the comma. GG. I forgot the comma. But only if... only if filter NPC is not 0. Meh. 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 No, please. Okay. We can do this, huh? Brown flour. Not rice flour. Flour in? Cannot be something like... Yeah, I understand. If you have different types, you can say... Yeah, but it's very unlikely, you know. Unless you are inside a flower shop. Which now you don't understand which shop is it, but anyway. So hard to time the drum rolls. That's okay. I mean, yeah, because there are a lot of changes. There are a lot of changes, but I think at the end, we will win, as usual. No one can stop us, guys. It's only a matter of time. Only a matter of time. Only a matter of time. Okay, go. So I did all this mess to avoid waiting those 30 seconds at every restart to load all the items in the game, right? So I did it only for this, which anyway is good because in all the next runs we will save 30 seconds, right? Or whatever it takes to load all the items from the database in production, because we want to load only the one for the tribe, right? Okay, now is correct. Okay, so these guys will actually load properly, I assume. And now we will repopulate items where I hope I didn't do mistakes here. Ah, the 0. Fuck. The 0 we need to exclude. I said that and I didn't do it because now it's 0 0 blah, 0 0 0 0, right? But in theory it works. Filtered items. I mean, yes and no. Okay. This tribe's item is useless. This tribe items is useless. By the way, this music is the music of a very nice game that I would suggest, which is called Shapes. And yeah, it's a very nice game. It's a puzzle game where you build shapes. It was free on the Epic Game Store some time ago. And I remember the music because I spent quite some hours playing that game. I wanted to check the 0. So if this is 0, right? If this is equal to, if item ID equal to 0. By the way, all of this, should I do equals or should I do the same? Huh? It's exactly the same. So if it's not 0, we add it to the list. If it's not 0, we add it to the list. By the way, I don't know if you checked the Ludum Dare 54. But there are some kind of nice games that you can play as well. Obviously, they are made like on the fly, right? So in 2 days or 3 days. But I'm really surprised on how I don't remember. Here games, right? If you go Ludum Dare Baba Games, you know you can play some of the games that they built, and some are kind of nice. And there is also the source code, right? I can give you the link. There is also the source code for all of them. So now they are made in different engines. Some is made with Unity. Some is made just with JavaScript. Some is made right, but it's pretty cool. Okay, so the first one we know that is working already, right? So we don't. Yeah, it is correct. We don't care about it. The second one, assuming that the NPC actually loaded, yeah, but they loaded. The second one is the one that we need to check. So we exclude the zeros. Okay, so we got only one item. And stop it. Why is continuously going through? Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Yeah. So so at the moment we are loading only one item in the world database. Mistakes were made. What happened? What? Okay. Yeah, because sector is null. Yes. Correct. Yes. So how do we do it? So we just do query and GG. We just do query and GG. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so, yeah. No, wait. What I'm doing? Boys! Confusing myself, huh? Yes. I have it. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. I have it. Okay. Yeah, this changes. I mean, it took us half an hour, but so if it took us half an hour and we are saving 30 seconds every time, how much did we save? In half an hour is what? 60 by 30. So it's 1,800 seconds. So if we save the 30, it's back to 60. So if we launch the server 60 times, we save time. If we launch the server 60 times, we save time. Otherwise, this development has been useless. No, it may be helpful in other cases, right? When we just want to load a specific tribe, I think it's good. I think at the end it's a good change. It's a good change, boys. It's a good change. Okay, it worked already. I think it worked, right? It's running. I don't have any. Oh no, it's still loading. In theory, I could also add another check for avoiding loading crafting, but is fairly quick. It doesn't take much. Fuck. The space! There is a space missing here. There is a space missing. We can put it here so it works in both cases. There is a space missing, so I have to launch it again. Yeah, the drum roll is pretty tough. I played some of these games just for fun, and wow, like this one looks insane. Is web? You only need the mouse to play the 3 levels. Wow! Oh, I like already the fact that he's moving the eyes with the mouse. Options! You have options! Now the music we can avoid it because we already have a background music. Okay, wait. Is starting or not? Yes, it is starting. It is. It is. Hello, funny green creature. I'm the voice of the outside. I will help you. Who are you? Oh. Okay, so this is fine. Let me just see if this is fine now. Hopefully, yes. Come on, you can do it. Yep. Okay, now seems to be good. There is an or and an end. There is an or and an end, boys. Because now we have yeah, there was a yeah. So do we need it? Do we need to have a parenthesis? I think we do, because there is the query. And these two initial are in or, and this one is an end, right? So if I don't put a parenthesis here, this will end with this and will be a complete mess. Wow, thank God I recognize that. So there's if null blah 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 blah. If null or parent ID in select from identity and yeah. This is better, eh? This is definitely better. Wow, it's good that I checked because otherwise it would have been a mess. How are you congested? Yes, this is very tiny world. And it will even reduce. Ay. If you want to survive, you have to be smaller. You know it's possible. Let me explain how to do it. First thing, it's easy to catch the black hole. Every time you take one, they will change your size. Understood? Try to do it. Can I go ahead? No. The green creature will move in place. Uh-oh, I think I touched the... Oh no, good job. That was easy. We didn't use sight, had to find black hole again. But this time careful, don't touch the light. The light will give you energy to grow. Meanwhile, this thing is starting, huh? It's still taking a lot of time to start anyway. Still taking a bunch of time to start. Holy! Bro. They were super small. Okay. Okay, so we launch it. Now I should have my tribe loaded. In my items loaded, and now I forgot what we were testing. I forgot what we were testing before I started to do this change, boys. Yes, the Explore. I think I added a breakpoint. It was the find random point, right? Yes, I added a breakpoint here. So we need to see if we ever reach that. I think we can just wait and see if we reach this waypoint, because there should be an explore operation at a certain point. Even it seems that they are already going, one is already going global move. One is already global move. So one is already moving somewhere, so maybe not through this. Not through this, no. But if it's not through this, I don't know which global move it can be. Sounds like an elevator chime. I don't know why it's so small though. Would be nice to have it bigger. If you hit one of the light, you become bigger. You can shoot the rock balls? Okay. So you can like go here and destroy. Fantastic. This guy made this game in 3 days. Yes, I know it's not a lot, and for I could not find the time to make more, I decided to do less, but something finished as much as possible. Yes, it's finished. There's 3 levels. I think it's insane. I mean, I did this in 3 days. It's fantastic. It's really fantastic. I think it should win. Can I vote it? I don't know if I can vote it. That's fantastic. Please log into raid. I need to log in. I don't think I ever logged into this thing. I think I need to register. But anyway. But anyway, just to say that there are those nice games if you want to try. In the meantime that we develop our game, we play other games. Why not? Okay, waypoint, there it is. Locate waypoint in range. Waypoint move in range -1. Let me understand which waypoint is this. Which waypoint is this? I don't even know who is asking for that. Find nearest point. I think it is just the guy moving normally. Located waypoint. Located position. Sector Idla Plaza. Ah, it's probably Alina that we loaded to test, right? I think it's Alina. I assume. I think it's not our tribe yet. Okay, another one. Okay, this one is the Hunter resource, right? So this one is going to locate a specific waypoint. So this is when the guy is going to fish. Right? And he's here. So this is the guy that is going to fish. Which I don't think we have a problem with. But here it seems we have another. Here we have another. Location BD Road 1063. BD Road 1063. It's very hard to understand where it is though. But it's pretty close to where we are. I don't know if I understand. I don't know if this is the right way to debug it, because I think we will get too many. We will get too many possibilities. I have no idea which behavior we were running, or behavior set execute. I don't know where I am at the moment in the logic, so there is too much stuff running at the same time, so it's very hard to predict. We need to wait that there is an explore operation, and after the explore operation we may see the guy going places. Hello, Madgard. I've been watching some of the VOD from this channel. Was wondering if playing shit has an active player base. No. No, it doesn't have an active player base. I mean, there are people playing, but it's not really, you know, it's not really a lot of people. So let's say the peak times is like in the weekends, where we have like, for the events, because we have an events every weekend, we have like from 10 to 20 concurrent players. During the week, like if you join now, maybe you find like 2 or 3 people. Depends what you consider active, right? So, but if you are thinking hundreds and hundreds of people, no. We had in the past. We had some peaks of 300 concurrent, 350 concurrent in our past with the previous release. With this new release, no, but maybe we will. Maybe we will get more players one day. So how do we get the me give tribe good carp fish? Good job. Requirement hunter, member hunter. So there are 2 members here. There is another guy that I have no idea where is it. Ah, he's there. But you know, my feeling is that that guy already selected a waypoint somewhere, and so my debug didn't work. Because you see that this guy is going places, and this guy probably selected already BD in 56. So how the hell he decided to go there without asking me? No, how did he decide to? Is a behavior move, but he's coming from where? Behavior move. We didn't catch the point where he decided to go. We can do this. We can do behavior. No, cannot do it this way because this way will never work. We can. I mean, we have the move too. But we will not, even if I break up, if I add a breakpoint here, we will not know where it's coming from. Because I can put a breakpoint here, but we will not know how we decided to go. You try using a breakpoint? Yeah, the problem is the complexity of the code. The problem is the so I need to know where to breakpoint, right? And that's the complexity, because I don't know if he's using a wander operation. But before the one, because the wander operation is the wander operation is not the one that decides where to go. The wander operation is the one that allows the NPC to actually go, right? But the decision is taken in the locate, and this is where actually I put the breakpoint, right? But I mean, I can put it here, but here it will stop every... Yeah, exactly. Here it will stop pretty much always, right? Because every time these guys move, they go through this. So I think it would be a bit tough to understand, first of all, who is the NPC? Well, who is the NPC? But the point is... I mean, the point is not knowing who is the NPC. The point is knowing who started this locate operation, which script started this locate operation, right? That's not easy at all. We can. So I would like to understand if that is given by an explore script, or if it's given by, or if it's... So why the guy decides to go so far away? That's my question, right? The explore behavior is this one, right? And it's doing locate object waypoint. And then it's doing locate object waypoint randomized, right? And I was expecting this to be the thing, but it seems it's not there, because I have a breakpoint here, right? I have a breakpoint at find random waypoint. Well, not here. Well, I can put it here as well. But how many find random waypoints we have in our code? Like 22? Because I think that the point is the randomness. I don't know if that guy is trying to fish in a different place, or if he's exploring, right? This is what I don't know. Unfortunately, our code has a lot of layers, and in this case, we are trying to debug a brain that is fairly complex code-wise. I mean, in reality, it's very simple, but if you think about it, you know, top-down is very simple, but the functions that are called are quite a number, so it's not easy for me to understand. Yeah, because what doesn't help me is that the behavior is move, but the behavior move is used by so many different operations, right? So he use move when he go fishing, he use move when he goes home, he use move when he explore, he use move every time, right? Between waypoints. So the brain is telling me move. I think it would be nice if the brain could tell me the... Because you see, we are already here, by the way, and I don't know why, but I think it would be nice if the brain could tell me what is the last command that the tribe gave him, right? Even if I think we have it here on the log, because like now you see there is this add recipe enter hunt resource, right? So that is when he's trying to find a waypoint, but I would like to understand the parameters of this waypoint. Local args, object waypoint, destination active, range -1. So it's probably this one, huh? Is it? I don't know where this is coming from, but I think it should be. Because if I go back in the stack, I'm inside a behavior, right? Can I know the behavior name at least? Yeah, I need to know the behavior name. Exactly. If I know the behavior name, it's a bit easier. What is the behavior name? The behavior name is move. And no, move is not good. So this means the move is not this. I don't know how to catch it, boys. It's so hard. Let me check at least the NPC. The NPC is who? The NPC is, yes, is our guy. Yeah, is that guy. Okay, so yeah, okay. Well, at least let's see what points he gets. Okay. But yes, this seems to be... He's not asking for a random point. He's asking for the nearest waypoint. And the result is... It should always be the same, by the way. BDR1063. So it seems that the first... Now, we can go in game and check which one is it, right? But let's say that the first waypoint... So first waypoint is BDR1063, which definitely is in this area. Is in this area, because BDR1 is the map, right? So it's in this map. So it's not that far. But what we have seen is that he was trying to go in a completely different map. Right? So I think that this one we can go. Then this second one is another locate, but with okay, it seems to be identical actually. Seems to be identical. BDR1063. Yeah, this is the same. I don't know, we are locating the same twice, but it's okay. I want to understand if Okay, now we are running, right? We are running. Do we get an explore? I can start the client and see where it's going, but maybe BDR 1063 is just across the hill and is maybe the one that is okay. I think BDR 1063 may be the maybe this one where it's fishing. Maybe this one where it's fishing. These are the waypoints, by the way. No, this is BDR 147. 91. So 63, I have no idea which one is it. Maybe it's the first one when he walks. Yeah, it's possible. 46. 45. 63. Ah, okay. 63 is home. Okay, 63 is home. So when we get the tribe home is fine. I mean 63 is the tribe home, so is here. As you can see, it is the network of possible movements. Yeah, I'm sure the code base is huge considering how long this project is in development. Yes. I mean, Unreal Engine helped us to simplify it a bit, so I think we simplified a lot of stuff, but so, for example, now, right, we have a member that is still busy with move. Why we have a member that is busy with move? I think he's colliding with the freaking campfire, boys. This one is do nothing. This guy's do nothing. Okay, no, there is another guy somewhere else. You see, it's the same guy that is going up. And we didn't breakpoint. We didn't breakpoint. So this guy is going here without... And I don't know why. Behavior move. Okay, behavior move, but doesn't tell me shit. Behavior move. What do you mean behavior move? I mean, we can follow him. we can follow him and see where the hell he's going. Maybe as a target in mind. I mean, yeah, the target is BD in 056, which is exactly the one. So what is in BD in 056? I think it's another fishing point. I'm sure of that. Well, I'm not sure, but my sixth sense is telling me that. So he's telling me that he's trying to find another fishing location, and he's finding one that is on the other side of the map, and now he's trying to reach it. But that one is super far. I mean, it's like 3 or 4 kilometers away. I mean, he will reach it. I mean, not because I don't have the maps loaded, so he will not be able to reach it because... But the question is BD in 056. What the hell is it? BD in 056. What is this thing? We can see it because we can go in waypoint aliases. I mean... BD in 056 is this guy, right? Is in sector 66, yeah, which is far away. And it is the ID. If we go waypoint aliases, maybe we find out what the hell is, or locations. Waypoint aliases. Waypoint aliases. The number is 1755. It doesn't even exist in the aliases. Why? I don't know, wait. WPID. No, it doesn't exist in the art. So it's not a named thing, but let me check in under locations. Fishing area. You know, but fishing area is defined as its own coordinates, so it's not even a fishing area. It's not even a fishing area. I don't know. Strange. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. You see, he's walking his way. He's walking his way to I don't know where. It's going, it's still going. It's a bit stupid that I cannot debug why he's doing this, right? I don't have a way to debug. Because I can ask his brain what it's doing, but his brain only knows the next step. He doesn't know. Are you currently in Pi on a dev build? No, we are in a dev build because the Pi doesn't run our game. Yeah, we should follow him and see where he's going, but I mean, I know where he's going. He's going to the Bronze Door map, which is far away from here, but he will. The other map is not loaded, so he will fail. I just moved myself up 100 meters, so here is the guy, right? He's going all around here. He's probably going all around there, and then he will reach the end of the map. So in like 5 minutes from now, he will reach that place, and then the other map is not loaded, right? Because I just deleted the map to load quicker. So he will just fall down and do nothing. Now the question is how the hell it ends up with that BDN 56. So the only thing is could be that he has the fishing location. He's trying to find a location that is closer to him. That is closer to that location, and that's the closest waypoint to the fishing location, right? So that could be. So resource area fish. Ah, it's taken from the memory. Oh yo. Wait a second. These guys have memory, and this guy may have memory from the past. This guy may have memory. Let me do end name fishing something. No. Fish? No. I mean, in his memory. It's too long. The memory is in fishing area. Hey, bro. I said end name like fishing. What? End name like fishing. Now yes. Now yes. Why? Because he added it now? No. So fishing areas, but these fishing areas are close. I don't think they. I think they are where we are. We can teleport to those areas and see, but One is here, exactly where he's fishing. Where he's always fishing. And the other is here, which is another, yeah, so it's yeah, so these are the places where he's fishing usually. Which is close to the home, right? It makes no sense that this guy is going places. BD Road. I mean, I can load the map. I can load the map and see what's there. BD Road in 056. Can I debug when you reach a when can I breakpoint with value and say, hey, when the value is? Because it's obvious that we told him to go, right? Someone told him to go. Obviously. The question is the tribe that told him to go, or is going with his brain? Because he also has a brain on top of the one of the tribe. Well, the opponent tribe actually wins, but so how do I know? I need to catch. So it's not a locate operation. This is super strange though, that we are not breaking. That these breakpoints are not reached is insane. It's not a locate operation. It's not. It's not a locate operation. Because the locate operation... We may have a region which is still wrong and is pointing to the other area. I think it must be a locate operation. There is no way. You see this code? You see this freaking... I mean, we can breakpoint at the beginning of locate, but I think we will get a lot of false positives. A lot of false positives. Because everything that moves, I mean, I can remove the other NPC, right? I can remove this repopulate NPC 31, so at least we have one NPC less. But we only have 3 NPC loaded at the moment, right? But they all do stuff. Now I can remove the other ones. But I think the tribe will break if I remove all of them. So I need the tribe to be functional, and I need him to, and I need to, okay, I think it must be locate. Because what else could be? It could be a melee, memorize, movement operation. Movement operation. Okay. But also this one is used so much that you have no idea. This one is insane. Oh, we are loading all the NPC now. Why we are loading all the NPC? I know why. We are loading all the NPC because... okay, fuck it. I'm gonna cheat. Yeah, because when you have the tribe and you have 0 NPC specified, it's not adding the query for... no, but in theory it should. Why? Okay, there is a mistake in the code that I wrote, but it's fine. Like this it will work. So it can be movement operation. It can be navigate. It can be navigate. Navigate, navigate, navigate. Navigate, navigate, navigate. Navigate is actually different. Yes. Yes. And then we have the wander operation, right? And then we have the wander operation, yes. Okay, let's breakpoint in all of them. So these are basically all the movement, all the possible movement operations, right? That we have, I think. The problem is that we will hit so many of them, right? So many. The only thing that we need to know is what is the waypoint that we actually get as a result. Like in this case is... my god. In this case is tribe. So he's trying to locate the tribe home, probably. Yeah, exactly. He's trying to locate the tribe home. And so the resulting waypoint is 063, which is the tribe home, right? And we are fine with that. And then we ask him to move to that place. So yeah, I don't know, this move. And then we are starting an active locate. 163. Yeah, so this is our home, right? I really hope it's our home. 163, 438. Let me see 1 second. 163, 438. Yeah. This is our home. This is basically our home. So this run is okay. Now we go into locate run. Yeah, there is so much going on here, boys. Destination move. Object tribe home. Okay, we skip it. Then there is another one. Bro. We never freaking... Also because this happened continuously, right? This happened continuously. So while the guy is moving... I think I should remove the breakpoint from this get end position because it's too redundant. Yeah, it's too redundant. Anyway, this end position is still there. Then we have another run. Oh my. Then we have another run. And this time is what? Is again the tribe home. Yeah, because there are 3 NPC. I guess all of them are searching. Did we reach the position? No, if I breakpoint here, we will never finish because this is run at every frame pretty much. So this one I cannot. This one I cannot. Okay, we have another locate. This time is a building spot. He's trying to locate the building spot. Okay, let's see if this one is succeeding or not. He's still in the same area anyway. Mistakes were made. Is this line? Is this line? Because it's the old... I know, I did a change yesterday. Wait. Yeah. This is wrong. Yeah. This is wrong. This was before we transformed the locations in absolute positions. These were still relative position. And he's taking the position of the home, right? And then he's adding on top the position of the spot, which is then doubling all the coordinates And so we go in an impossible place. I think that is the error. Because this was when we did the rework of the relative location versus absolute. I think I didn't change this. Now the question is, in how many other places I may have this mistake? Actually not that many, because there is a building spot. So this line should go. And the building position will be... Yeah, you don't even need... wait, calculate... Yeah, because this calculate waypoint is here. If I go forward, we will get our 56 waypoint. Exactly. BDIN 56. Maybe you cannot see it, but it's there. BDIN 56. BDIN 56. And the location is a crazy number, right? I mean, it's not a crazy number, it's another map, but... Okay, we got it. So this line needs to go. Now the question... Yeah, because he's trying to find the closest waypoint to the selected coordinates, right? So the only thing that I need... so this line absolutely wrong. Building no, wait. Relax. This part of the line wrong, but this one is good, huh? So I need my building exactly. The sector. Why we assume that the sector is the same of the building sector? I think this is not a good idea. This is not a good idea, because I can have, I can have my building spot here and my sector may finish here, right? And this guy is wants to go in this area, and this will be another sector. So it needs to be working as well. It was on a pilgrimage on another map, just because we basically multiplied. I mean, we doubled the coordinates in a stupid way. So we'll do it. So yeah. Building spot. You know what? I think we ask the sector. I will ask the sector to cache manager. I think it's the best way. In general, is a better practice, right? Now, do you think I have anywhere else this error? I mean, it cannot be actor. It cannot be building. Building may have the same error. Building may have the same error, but it looks like it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't, because it's directly using the building position. So this one is correct. Building spot is the one that I just changed. Dead, no. Entity, no. Friend, no. Perception, no. Player, no. Player, no. Target, no. Target, no. Owner, no. Point, no. I think it's only there. Self, owner, spawn, tribe. Tribe is just getting the home. Waypoint. The waypoint cannot be. No, it's only building and building spot. It's only building and building spot. I think we solved it. I think that guy will not go places anymore. I mean, we'll go places if we tell him to go, but My only fear is this fishing area that he may say, oh, I need to go fish. And in our game, we have like 20 fishing areas all around, right? And he may pick one that is on the other side of the map. I don't know. I think he should not, because he's still by range, right? But and it's based on his memory. So the only problem could be if he has been in a place very far away and he's memorizing that location. Like, let's say that I teleport him very far and he sees a fishing area, he will remember the fishing area, and then when he's back home, he will try to go there, right? And he will find the path, because the path, I mean, is not in his brain, but is in the game brain. So, yeah, that could be the only issue. But at the moment, I think their memory is fine. I think their memory is fine, boys. Because the problem was that I was trying to build the hut. But you needed 2 hunters to build the hut. And 1 hunter was always going places. And so it was never available, right? So this was the problem. So now that the hunter is not going places anymore, hopefully they can build the hut. Now the question is, why yesterday was not happening? Why was not happening yesterday though? Because yesterday we built the hut with the other script, but in theory it should have been the same, no? But anyway, this was a mistake 100%. So fine. Now in the log I'm printing what the members are doing. So you see here, member hunter go to work, member hunter global move. So one is actually going somewhere, but I think it's just going fishing probably. Hopefully. Yeah, you see, busy with Hunt Resource. So now we switched to Hunt Resource. These are our 2 members. This 8090. These are our 2 members of the tribe. Well, our 2 hunters, because there is also a warrior, but a warrior at the moment is doing nothing, because the tribes are like animals tribes, right? So like if you think to the bees, there is the queen bee, there is the warrior bee, there is the hunter bee. It's the same concept. So every member of the tribe has a role, right? And they do stuff based on their role. So I think now the question is, if all 3 of them come here, well, 2 of them, because this is the warrior. Me give fish. Okay, what are you doing now, man? There is one that is busy with go to work. Me go work. There is a chance, There is a chance. Build the freaking thing. Me go work. But me go work is upkeep. Is an upkeep. Okay. So for 60 seconds now he's working. But in theory, if there are no buildings, something else is happening that is not correct. Something else is happening that is not correct. They are working, but in reality they are not. Well, okay. I don't know exactly what he did there. What we want him to do, we want him to build a hut, a house. We want him to build a house now. This guy's waiting home. Go to work. Yeah, the problem is that they are all busy with the other behavior, because yesterday was working because I was using the simple tribe that only builds, and only builds is actually working. But now I added another script which is also asking them to maintain the village, right? Which is the upkeep script. And the upkeep script is exactly doing that. So it's asking him to go work to a specific location. Now, unfortunately, at the moment, the only building that there is the campfire, right? So they all stay there and work on the campfire, which doesn't make a lot of sense. But anyway, you know. But you see that now we have an applying recipe, eagle gobble build small hut. But unfortunately the other guy is busy. So you know, it becomes like a ping pong, because this guy goes there, but the other is busy. Then he goes back, and the other is busy again, because we said that we need 2 guys available to actually build a hut. Right? We said that we need 2 guys available. Now if I scale it down to 1, I think it will work automatically. But I wanted to understand if there is a way that with 2 people required, it will still work. The problem is there is no pause. Well, there is no pause because they... Yeah, exactly. So I think the question is, how much... I think the question is how much they are idle, waiting for orders. At the moment, not much. So they basically execute a lot of orders continuously with some small pause. But at the moment, I think they have enough fish, so they don't care. They don't care. Let me see how much fish they have. They have 86, so they don't really care much about going to fish, because they have a lot, right? And this is correct. This is correct. The only thing that they care about at the moment are the two scripts that I forced on them. One is the building of the hut, which is this one. The other is the upkeep, and it is the one that is messing up, okay? And I know it, but it's exactly what I want to test. I want to test when there are 2 concurrent requests from the tribe to do stuff, if there is a good distribution. Because at the moment seems not. I mean, it seems that this build small hut cannot go through, right? It cannot go through because they are always busy, right? So the point would be that the tribe should say, hey, I need 2 guys. So if I need 2 guys, I need to have 2 guys waiting for a bit. So I need to have 1 guy waiting for a bit to have the second guy become available. And at the moment the tribe is not doing this reasoning. The tribe is just, I don't know how to explain it better, but I think you got it, right? I think you got it. So our tribe needs 2 people available. It needs 2 people available, right? And unfortunately, so this will be so this is idle, right? Idle 2 people. Unfortunately, the way it works now is that we are never in this situation. We have 1 guy idle, we have one guy idle for a bit, right? And we have one guy that is executing or the go to work or the upkeep, right? Or the upkeep or the build hut, right? But for the build hut you need 2 people, right? So you need 2 people. And so what happens is that one guy is going here and this guy is going here, and then this guy, I don't know, goes here and this guy goes here, and then they never match, you know? They never match. And is what is happening now. So the chance that there are 2 available is very hard to reach, right? And in fact, they're not building shit. So how can the tribe counter this problem, right? So to me, the tribe should say, hey, I want to build something that requires 2 people. So if I have only one idle, I keep him idle until the second is available. The problem is that if this guy went to, you know, solve the hunger problem of the world, he will never come back. Or if he's dead, he will never come back. And the idea of keeping this guy idle forever until the second guy comes back may be a problem, because it means that then the tribe does nothing. Right? So if I ask the tribe, hey, wait for the second guy, which I can, but then we go into another problem, that this guy never returns. Or anyway, this guy will return one day, right? Will return. But in the meantime, maybe I spent, 3 hours doing nothing. Yeah, but it can be okay, though. It can be okay. I mean, the only drawback of this solution will be that the tribe will just keep a guy idle waiting for the second guy. But I think it's a good idea, actually. I think it's the only way. How can you do it differently? These guys will never build freaking anything. If you want to see them build, I have to do this. And then I go to bed. I have to remove the upkeep from the tribe recipe. If I remove the upkeep, if I remove the upkeep, exactly. If I remove this, if I remove this, if I remove this and I restart, what is that? Yeah. Now they will be. I think they will build, because this is the same situation as yesterday. But I think I will always have this problem, right? I will always have the problem of certain tasks requiring 2 people, or 3 people, or 4 people. Should just one guy wait at the location and wait the others? Yeah, maybe yes, but if they never return, that would be a problem, huh? I mean, this is a logical problem. It's not a coding problem. It's a logical problem. It's just the way how we want our AI to work. And you can say, oh, don't give them conflicting tasks. Yeah, I could do that, but then the tribe becomes super simple, because it means that he only has one task at a time, right? And he cannot distribute tasks between members and sides. So I can already, because in the script you can say if you want to go in a sequence. But I think it becomes way less interesting, because basically every tribe will, the tribe will always act the same, right? So now the guy went fishing for whatever reason. I don't know why. But now is much easier because when this guy comes back, most likely this guy is idle here. Unless they both go fishing. Can you generate more mob for a special work and delete them after? No, because the generation is really a reproduction. I mean, more people in the tribe is an important evolution step, right? If they are 4, if they are 5, if they are 6, is an important evolution step. So you want the tribe to evolve slowly but surely. You don't want to add a member and remove it, right? Because what it means, he died or what? I cannot do it. Well, we actually have. I like how he moves the years, by the way. So like now there are 2 people, right? This guy came back. I don't know what is going on. We have a breakpoint. You see, me like working, me work on the small hut. So this guy went here now, and now he's building. We don't have the animation. I will have the animation, but I think in 60 seconds from now, boom, it is the hut. Wow, he kind of stuttered a bit. I don't know why. Is the guy inside or what? No, the guy's not inside. So they build the hut, right? And now, in a few, since they have the resources, because they have like 60 fishes, and this hut cost 10, they will build another one. It's just a matter of time. There is a timeout, so they never build one stuff after the other. So there is like 3 minutes, right? 3 minutes, and they will build it. But the reason why they build it now is because this guy came back from fishing and this guy was available. And by the way, they didn't go. Yeah, the problem is that they did not go both to this location. Only one went there. But I think this is a script issue, it's not a code issue. I think because when I build a hut, I just select one guy. Yeah, exactly. Select hunter 1, right? I just say, I require 2. I require 2 available. But actually I select only one guy and I send him there. So I could send both of them just by changing the script, hopefully. Right? Which is pretty powerful, because then if all works, you can just change the scripts and the tribe works differently, right? So that's the idea. So now I think we need to wait like 3 or 4 minutes and then they will build the next one. But okay, I think we did a good fix there. I think we did a good fix, but also I understood why. I understood why they are not building with the other script. But yeah, I don't know how to solve it yet. I need to think about it. But now it's late, guys, so I really need to go because it's more than midnight here. It's midnight 33. And so I have to go. So I will see you tomorrow evening, 9:30 p.m. European time. If you want to click on follow, subscribe on YouTube, that would be nice. And this guy's bored. If you want to support the project, we have a Patreon site, which is patreon.com/planeshift. This one. It's always trying to log in here. I don't know why. And yeah, and you can go here and see some of the videos and other stuff that I'm posting from time to time. I think I will do a post about tribes soon. Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow if you want to join. See you guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. If someone wants to redo this intro and outro animation, is more than welcome. Because he has all the old screenshots, and I think it can be improved a lot. But yeah, I did it myself. This video that is playing now. But if you want to make a new one, do it.